Go, go, go! And I'm out. Reloading!
God dang it, this thing's jammed.
Okay.
Can you push this button really hard?
Last mag.
I don't know what to do, dude.
I'm on my last mag.
I'm working on it!
Hey, right side.
Can we drag?
Yeah, drag.
Do you want me to try and drag him?
Up to you.
I'll get him. I don't have a gun. Want me to get him real quick?
Do it, Phantom.
Go. Jay!
Go, go,
Jay, he's coming to get you. On the road, watch the road. Ah, fuck.
Give him cover, cover, cover!
Cover Phantom! Cover Phantom!
We have no backup here.
Over here, over here. Are they down right there?
3, 2, 1, go!
Dead drag over.
Right here though.
I was trying to
Is
give
he?
you a call because they're all.
The guy on the ground is dead.
I was
Fucking
trying to
gun
show
keeps
her.
jamming.
But then Walter told me to shut the fuck up. They're all dead down there.
No, there's somebody crawling up
There are 3 on the road. There are 3 on the road. You're up.
Are they...
What?
Where are they coming from? Where are they coming from?
Hey, I'm gonna go back. Hey, Brian. This way, I'm gonna move back so I can angle it.
Got it. All right, we got 1 dead in there. Reloading!
We got 1 live person in those feet in that field, dead straight ahead.
Roger.
Laying?
Laying down.
Where? How far? From the dead rag?
From the dead rag, about 100 feet back behind. He just keeps popping up.
How are we doing with Bandaz?
That sounds like that's from here.
Get back.
That sounds from like it's R3.
I repeat, how are we doing where Panda is?
Hey, whoa. Right there. Ed, you're 12.
I'm watching. I see somebody really far. Way back.
Right there, where I'm shooting.
Cover it.
Reloading! God, I hate gas blowback sometimes. Ed, do you see? Lean this way a little bit. You see the fallen down tree?
Yeah.
Kind of this way? He's
Yeah.
right on
I
that.
just saw somebody run over. Dustin, you're right. Who is that? Okay, go.
You okay?
Yeah! You need me to move?
He's right past it now. He's right past it.
Is he crawling?
I think so.
There's somebody flanking.
Yeah.
Somebody flanking round.
Watch our 6, watch our 6, watch our 6.
Hey, how are we doing back in Panda?
Those are our guys.
Okay, you shot me.
I did not.
Yeah, the BBs are coming from in here. I was over there.
They're over here.
Were you at the
Yeah, that's us. There's 4 of us over
I know you're over there, but I'm looking that way where he's shooting. Where I'm shooting.
Because the BBs are coming from in here.
Yeah.
Thank you. They're all over there. I got hit. I was behind one of those round things.
Yeah.
Well, it might have been Ed.
I got you over there.
Congratulations, Ed. You shot me. Great.
Do we have our guys? Moving! He's down.
He's dead.
No chance, sir.
Hey, are those guys over there ours?
Yeah, those guys over there are ours. That's us. We got him.
Hey, whoa. There's still more.
Watch our 6, watch our 6.
Keep pulling through that. Can I go up and confront those guys?
No, stay there.
Cover. Moving 2 o'clock, turn boxes.
Copy.
Movement 2 o'clock, smart boxes.
I'm almost tempted to go insurgent on people. and go straight down that way and try and follow them around, see if I can get back up behind them. I risk getting killed, but... How long left in the game?
I don't know. What's the time left in the game?
Unknown. Movement. Way far, 12.
I'm gonna move out.
Where's their spawn?
Oh, that I'm not sure about.
Down the road where?
I think they spawned near Hyperball.
I'm gonna come to you, alright?
Go, cover. I got you covered.
They spawned way down there, I think, and they're coming around.
Right here.
Yeah, right there.
Right here in front of me! 12! I fucking hit you, dude.
As soon as he comes up, he's dead.
Can I go rush him?
No. Let Ed take him. Keep watching my counter, alright?
Hey, coming up the road! Coming up the road! Movement! Or they're flanking around.
Ed, you got eyes on him?
I got eyes. If he pops up, he's dead.
You can pop up, we won't shoot you. Coming up the road!
I hope that guy does not have a sniper.
Let him come up the road.
Dylan! He's down!
Hey!
Yeah.
Oh,
Good job.
That's that guy that rushed, never mind.
Dylan!
And that guy's not on our team right in front of us, is he?
No.
Alright.
Look like you're enjoying yourself over there. Oh yeah. Alright.
Hey, I see he's poking up. Or is that his dead rat? Is that, it looks like he's dead.
There's
He's
one
dead.
over there.
He's dead.
Wave your dead rag if you're dead! Wave your dead rag if you're dead! Thank you.
He's dead. Oh, there are two. Both of them are dead behind the tree trunk.
There's two that's back there down. Thank
Hey,
you.
coming up the road. See him?
Watch the road! Shit. Watch the road for me. I've got like no ammo left.
I really want to rush that guy. Down the road.
Who has extra ammo? Anybody in the smart boxes?
I got a speed loader.
What do you have in there? Do you have anything?
Like, I kind of need it for my pistol though.
Oh no, that's fine. I don't want to take any of your ammo.
They should make ammo supplies, just some random stuff. I feel like they've pushed up far over there.
Copy. Got movement? You got movement?
Mm-mm. I don't see anything. It looks like they're flanking around towards the right.
Watch this way, Phantom.
I'm not Panda.
I mean, yeah.
Panda?
Sorry. That's what I said. That's what I meant. Yeah, sorry, bud. Yeah, just watch that way. Like, there. Hey, how long we got left in the game?
30 minutes, well, 35.
35 minutes?
35.
Minutes?
Yeah, minutes. No, hours.
35 minutes left.
35 minutes left.
That's a fun
I've got
game.
movement going across to the left.
In the castle!
Hey, can I go check on spools real quick?
Stay here for me. For right now. Stay here for right now. I'll let you go in a second, alright? Everybody's moving left!
Moving left, spool!
Watch the left flank. We got movement coming out from the castle.
That's a red.
We have a ton of activity going down the road.
I think the revs are picking up the guys that have been sitting there for a while. Dead. They're telling them to go back to spawn.
Jay, any movement?
I thought you were down. No, Jay.
No, that's that guy that rushed all the way up there. I almost just don't want them to come back because then they know where we
I
are.
kind of want to just go down that road.
Me too. But I feel like they're all right to the left. What do you got?
I see multiple people down here.
One member of Black Tip Recon doing out with the Panthers.
I don't have any.
What'd you do with the other dead guys?
The what?
Did you take the other dead guys back to spawn?
I have no clue what's going on, honestly.
Okay, because he's been sitting there for a while. Dude behind you.
I'm pretty sure he can go back to spawn, but I'm not sure.
Now you can't. They have to have a medic.
Yeah. Or somebody has to drag him back. Need to rush you?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I figured.
Can I move now?
Go ahead.
Fine.
Be careful. You alright?
Yeah, I had to go.
Okay. Alright, thanks. What was that?
I found people.
Alright.
They're right in the woods. I'm like creeping
On the
up
left?
and just
Are
unloaded
they
on
they
me.
down in there?
No, over there.
Hit! Hit!
Give me some covering fire.
I would, I'm hit. Where'd it come from? Straight out. I'll drag him.
It came from that direction right there.
Alright, I hear you!
I got stitched up the front. Blood is pouring from my chest.
It's like the Patriot.
Yep.
Here.
No, Phantom died that way.
He's down.
Somebody.
Ed, yeah, he's down.
Come over here. What? Two guys over with me this way. One more, come on.
Matt, go with them. Go with him. Go.
With Frank, follow him.
Fuck, I lost my mag. Where? Just follow him?
Follow Frank.
What's going on? Whoa.
Blue, blue! Wait, what did he say? Over by the
Oh,
trailers?
I don't know. I came up behind you.
He said we're getting pushed hard over by the trailers.
We got 2 blue from smart boxes. Where do you want us? Ain't nobody answer all at once.
Shit, right there, right there, right there, right
Is
there.
that ours?
I don't think so. Oh wait, it might be. Oh,
Guys, get the tires, come on.
Blue coming in!
Got this.
Zach, are you up?
Full house full. 6-1.
Where are we gonna get back?
I think we're straight out. Blue, yeah, it's Kelly. That's ours.
Retreating. Oh.
Two guys sitting over here. Right past the see where the V is in the trees. They're passed on the left. Alright, you see where the V is? The V tree, 3 quarters by there. On the left. 60 down, Ed! 60 down! That's 60 ground out. All the way down there, the 2 guys? Yeah. Right the other direction. So they're moving back. Shut up, Panda! It never felt so good. I know! I think I'm gonna R-hop it so I don't have to worry about the knob.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, we just set them up right now.
Alright, where is he? I'm gonna shoot him.
How much longer do we have to hold this for?
We have, what, 35 minutes? I asked like 5 minutes ago.
Yeah, 7 minutes left.
So what's going on?
I need ammo.
Wait, so I don't know how much time we have left.
Exactly 20 minutes.
Exactly 28 minutes? Yeah. We've been doing this for 7 minutes.
Where you guys go?
Nowhere.
We're moving.
Oh, okay.
You got a speed loader?
Nope. No.
Alright. Well, this will be fun.
Just sit down behind him. Tim's in the smart box right there as well. Right there, and then there's Tim's in it. And there was a guy right behind the smart box right about 50 feet away from the smart box in front of him. Other than that, all guys right. I can see.
It's one of those things I should carry with me. Welcome to Virginia. Yeah, they're overrated.
Yep! Where?
Just cover me, alright?
Yeah. I feel sorry for this little kid. He's a little too close to me.
Phantom or another kid?
No, another kid. He was moving up all by himself. What are you doing?
Where's my other mag?
Shit. He hit me in the lip. I was like, oh.
Where the fuck's my other mag? Oh, there it is.
So how's the left looking over there when you were doing it?
There's guys over there, but everybody's pretty much got them down. Good.
The guys we're doing here, they're trying to move up heavy on right. We have them pinned down.
I hate you right now.
Why?
Talking to myself. Huh? I'm just
He's
running low on
reloading.
ammo, that's all.
And he doesn't have a speed loader.
It's the old-fashioned way.
Who's on the left side?
Everybody else.
Okay.
We got Eric. We had Ed over there.
Is
Ed's
Ed
back
over
here.
there?
Ed's back over here now.
Ed's over there? Huh.
Yeah. Chow.
Okay.
Phantom.
He's